Through our CMA FM tool software, we can prepare CMA project reports up to 7 projected years with 2 years actual data and 1 year estimated data. Number of reports we can prepare directly by inputting P&L and balance sheet. If we talk about report, number of reports we are providing: operating statement, balance sheet analysis, BEP analysis, debt equity analysis, sensitivity analysis, MPBF calculation as per the Tandon committee and Naik committee, comparative statement related to current asset and liabilities, cash flow, fund flow. By inputting balance sheet and P&L, we can prepare number of reports. Automated calculation available for your projected data. Import facility is not available because after inputting your estimated figures, if you want to do automated calculation, then software will calculate automatically your projected year figures. That's why we are not providing an import function from Excel sheet or any other tool, because CMA reports are based on your projected data. Step by step, we will learn how to prepare reports. Other than CMA, we are also providing FM tool functions like calculation of depreciation methods, present value calculation, future value calculation, EMI calculator. Number of FM tool functions are available in FM tool. For preparation of CMA report, first you have to enter client information in master menu, client master, click on new client. For entering new client information, first you have to enter here your client information by inputting code number. Code number you can use your client file number, alphanumeric, according to your requirement. Status of client: client is individual, company, private limited company, partnership firm, HUF, cooperative society, trust. According to client status you can choose. Word and circle is not important if you are entering client information for CMA software. If you want to use this client in income tax software also, then you can enter here income tax word circle details. Other information you have to enter client first name, last name in case of individual, or other than individual you have to enter the business name of your client, date of incorporation, address, office address or residential address accordingly. After entering your client information, you have to click on save. Or if you have already created a client information in our income tax software or service tax software, that client you can also use, no need to create a new client. After creation of client, for selection of client you have to go in master menu, select client. You will find here your created client. By double click you can select your client. After selection of client, you will find here your client, client name, partnership firm, means your client status. Now next step is enter project information, go to master, create project. Provide here name of project, name of bank in which you are submitting your CMA reports, address of branch means bank branch, nature of business of your client. Client is trader, manufacturer, service industry. Accordingly, you can select. After selection of your nature of business, when you click on save, you will receive a message. Nature of business cannot be modified. Do you want to save it? We have selected service industry. If I click on yes, then later on modification is not available for nature of business. Other information you can change, like name of project, name of bank, address of branch, but nature of business cannot be changed. So first you have to choose your nature of business. After that you have to click on save button. Now exit from this window. You can create number of projects in a single client. If you want to create a new project, again go to create project and mention your information of your project. Now after creation of your project, if you want to select your project, for example, if you have created one or two, more than two projected, then you can select here by double click. For example, I have created a manufacturer project. For selection of project, by double click I can select my project. Now next step is, if you want to show CA information or consultant information on your reports, then you have to enter consultant information in master menu, consultant master. Registration number of firm, PAN number of firm, firm name, proprietor or partner detail, membership number of consultant if available, PAN number of consultant, name of consultant, designation, address. If signatory, then tick mark on signatory option, and provide the firm address, house number, house name if available, state, city and other information related to firm address. After entering CA firm information, then click on save button. Save button is available on left side. By clicking on save, you can save your record related to consultant information. Whenever you are creating a new project and coming in transaction menu, some option you will find here disable, showing you I have created this project and selecting this project. Now coming in transaction menu, we can see here some options are disabled. How to enable install capacity, holding period, quantitative detail, P&L balance sheet? We have to enter additional information of project. Raw material and WIP logged because we are preparing a service industry. In service industry, we can see here consumable means service information we have to enter in consumable option by clicking on create. If you are preparing manufacture, then you have to provide raw material and WIP information with your finished goods product. Actual number of product you can create in consumable. Actual financial statement available last. If client is old, and you want to show the old figures of previous years, then you can enter here up to 2 years data with your actual figures. In case of new unit, then you can select here 0 or 1 or 2 accordingly. Then provide enter base year. First year data available for the month. Our project will start on 2014. For example, suppose project will start from November. So up from November to 31st March, we have 5 months data. So we can select here 5 months. Means first year data available for months. Then projection required for year. Up to 7 years we can calculate projected data. According to financial institute requirement, you can select here 2 year, 3 year. Up to 7 years we can select. Whether quantitative details are required, yes or no. If you want to provide closing stock details, sale price, purchase price, all the details, then you can select here yes. Or if you don't want to provide the information related to your stock details, sale price, purchase price, then you can select here no. Figure required in rupees, thousand, lakhs, accordingly you can select here. Decimal rounding off. Then prepared by firm name, means consultant information, which one you created in master, consultant master. After creation of your consultant information, you will find here your consultant name. By selection you can select here and click on save. When you click on save button, you will receive a message here. You will not be able to edit the actual financial statement available last. Are you sure you want to continue? After saving this screen, this data, actual financial statement available last, editing option is not available. We have selected 0 year, new unit. After save, if you want to edit, then editing is not available. Now next is provide project information in cost of project in case to finance amount you are purchasing land, building or important plant and machinery, furniture, fixture and others. Then you can provide your information by clicking on detail button. For example, you want to provide land detail, click on details, provide your description of land, address of land, unit of measurement, square feet, area of your land, rate per square feet, value and other expenditure is available. Then you can enter in expenditure. According to cost of project, we can enter here detail of cost of project. Now next is proposed limit of bank. Particular of the existing or proposed limit of from the banks, limit from all banks and financial institution as on date of application. Provide here the balance sheet as on date, name of the bank, financial institute. I have already entered an entry like SDFC Bank, nature of facility CC or term loan according to existing limit, if already available any existing limit, extent to which limits were utilized during the last 12 months and maximum. Now balance available on particular date, on balance sheet date and limit now requested. Multiple entry you can enter here. After entering your information related to existing or proposed limits from the bank, click on save. We are facing some technical problem. Please stay with us. Sorry for inconvenience caused to you. Now next step is provide means of finance detail, means promoter contribution in project. Propose finance from banks. Go to transaction, means of finance. Provide here promoter or owner contribution by entering name of promoter or owner and amount. Multiple entries you can enter here. Long-term loan and finance other than proposed term loan. By clicking on detail you can provide here. Other means of finance and proposed loan. After entering the detail, click on exit. Proposed limit from bank, cost of project and means of finance. These are the separate report. Information entered in this proposed limit of bank, cost of project or means of finance, not linked with any other report. So after creation of your client project, third step is enter additional information. Proposed limit of bank, if you want to prepare a report for proposed limit of bank, cost of project, then means of finance. Now next step is install capacity. In case you are preparing manufacture industry project report, then you can provide here installation capacity of factory. In particulars, you will find here your product name, which one you already create in transaction, additional information. I have selected 1 year as actual, estimated 1 year and projected 2 years. Provide here your details of installed capacity, means production capacity in quantity. Next step is holding period. Provide here holding period of your closing stock, sundry creditors and sundry debtors. Suppose my closing stock holding period is 40 days. Auto calculation also available. If you are selecting here auto calculation and entering actual 50, for example I am entering here 50, software will automatically do the auto calculation with your same figures. If you want to change, you can change in particular in year or according to your product name. Then click on save. Same for sundry creditors holding period you have to provide, and sundry debtors holding period you have to provide if available. Holding period in days you can provide here sundry debtors, sundry creditors and close according to closing stock. After entering data, click on save. Now next step is quantitative detail. Quantitative detail option will enable in case you are selecting in additional information whether quantitative detail are required, yes or no. If you are choosing here no, then option will disable. For enable, go to additional information, select here yes and click on save. In quantity detail, we can see production ratio. If you want to provide production ratio related to raw material to WIP and WIP to finished goods, then you can provide here the quantity, enter quantity of raw material used for per unit production of WIP. Same, enter quantity of WIP or raw material used for per unit production of finished goods. After entering, click on save. Next is sales detail. If you want to provide the sales quantity, then you can go in sales detail, quantitative sales input. For example, my actual sales quantity are 40,000 and expecting 25% growth in 2013 and 40% growth in 2014 and 30% growth in 2015. Software will do auto calculation after entering your growth percentage. Next step is stock detail. Stock calculation software will auto do after entering your closing stock, holding period, in holding period and sales quantity. Now software will auto calculate your closing stock inputs when you are coming in closing stock and using here auto calculation. Then software will auto do your all calculation related to closing stock. And last year closing stock will automatically come in your opening stock in next year. Now provide sale price and purchase price of your product. After entering your sale price, purchase price, now next step is go to transaction. If you want to provide allocation ratio in raw material among WIP and allocation ratio in WIP among finished goods. Here you can provide allocation related to your WIP among finished goods and raw material among WIP. Next step is profit and loss account. According to selection of nature of business, P&L format will auto change. If you are selecting here receipt, if you are working in service industry, then automatic P&L format will change and you will find here receipt. Or if you are selecting here nature of business, trading, trader, then according to nature of business you will find here sales. And in case of manufacture, then you will find here sales, opening stock of raw material, purchase of raw material, opening stock of WIP, opening stock of finished, closing stock of WIP, closing stock of finished. For entering any figure, by double click you can enter in any particular. For example, I want to enter sales figure. By double click I can enter a sales figure. Auto calculation also available. How software will do auto calculation? We have already provided sales quantity and sale price. When you are selecting here auto, then you will find here your auto calculation. Or if you want to do manual calculation, then here you can use manual option is available. You can enter your actual figures, percentage of growth. Then software will calculate your estimated figure, percentage of your growth. According to, you can do auto calculation or manual calculation, both are available. Next step is opening stock of raw material. Also we are providing here auto calculation. Or manually if you want to enter, by double click you can change your figures. Same for purchase of raw material. Already entered sales quantity and holding period. The software will auto calculate your purchase quantity and already provided the purchase price of raw material. Then software will do auto calculation of your purchase amount of raw material. Both option available here, auto or manually. According to calculation you can use here. Next step is closing stock. We have already calculated. Material consumed. Consumption of material information you have to provide here. Also we are providing a auto calculation. You can use auto calculation. Store and repair consumption. Provide here store and space consumption. Next is direct expenses. Number of expenses you can provide here. Also we are providing variable and fixed expenses type. You can select here your expenses variable or fixed. Factory cost, software will auto calculate. Opening stock of WIP if available, then you can enter here. Same closing stock of WIP. Cost of production, software auto will do auto calculation. Then opening stock of finish and closing stock of finished goods. By double click you can enter. Cost of sale, auto calculation option. Indirect expenses, like direct expenses you can provide here indirect expenses details. I have already entered some indirect expenses. You can see here, but in particulars you have to provide expenses name, expenses type, variable or fixed, actual figures. If you have selected the actual year, then you have to provide actual figures. And if you want to do auto calculation, provide here percentage, then software will auto calculate your next year figure. Operating profit before interest tax, software will do auto calculation. Now interest. If you want to charge your interest amount in profit and loss account, then double click on interest. You will find here three options: CC limit, term loan interest or other loan. When you click on CC limit, for entering data in CC limit, by double click you can enter here. Provide here your particulars, means CC limit information, amount disbursement, date of disbursement and rate of interest. If you want to show your interest amount in P&L account, then you can use here link with profit and loss account. Number of entry you can provide here. Same term loan interest, by double click you can enter here the information. Or in case of other loan, then you can provide here directly particulars, loan information and amount of interest. Depreciation, by double click you will enter in depreciation window. Provide here asset name in particular column, rate of depreciation, opening WDV, addition greater than or equal to 180 days, addition less than 180 days, deletion greater than equal to 180 days, or deletion less than 180 days, total amount software will auto calculate, depreciation, any additional depreciation available, total depreciation and closing value. Like this you can prepare your depreciation chart. Also, if you want to change your next year figure, currently we have entered actual. Now if you want to change your next year figure, you can change here the year. Software will show you last year figures, means closing WDV as opening WDV in your selected year. Now if you want to change the rate of depreciation, you can change here in rate of depreciation column. If you want to show the addition or deletion in particular year, both options available. Now next step is provide balance sheet information. First is capital, ordinary or share capital. By double click you can provide here capital amount information in case of private company, share capital information in case of partnership firm. Provide the partner's name and partner's ratio. Where to enter? Go to transaction, additional information. You will find here a button add partner. Provide here the partner name, and partnership share of ratio of partners for every year. Then after entering your partner name, you will find your partner's name in balance sheet. Reserve and surplus, general reserve, revolution reserve, other reserve, profit and loss figure. Term liabilities, debentures, preference shares, deferred pay, trades, term deposits, loan from director, other term liabilities. Short-term borrowings. Some figures will automatically come from P&L interest column. We have entered a CC limit. We can see here CC limit figures directly coming from profit and loss account. Other bank loan, others you can provide here. Sundry creditors, auto calculation available because we have already provided the purchase amount in P&L account and holding period of creditors. Then you can use auto calculation for doing auto calculation. Other current liabilities, if available, you can provide here. And provision for taxation. Net profit before tax automatic come from your PL account. Percentage of provision for tax, provide here the percentage of provision for tax. Net profit after tax, if any equity dividend paid, then you have to provide here the percentage of equity dividend. Same for assets. Fixed asset figures will auto come from your PL depreciation chart. Non-current asset you can provide. Intangible asset, by double click you can enter the details of intangible assets. Investment, stock in hand will auto come from your PL account, closing stock. Sundry debtors auto calculation because we have already provided the holding period of sundry debtors and sales figure. Current assets, cash in hand and bank balance, by double click you can provide. After entering your P&L and balance sheet, now your CMA reports are ready. Go to reports menu, project report, form 1, form 2, balance sheet analysis, form 3, CACL comparative statement, working capital, bank finance means MPBF calculation as per the Tandon and Naik committee. You can analyze your MPBF. Same Naik committee calculation also available. Fund flow statement, financial ratios. If you want to see the financial ratios with calculation, option is available, financial ratio with calculation. Software will show you the calculation figures with formula. DSCR financial ratios, debt equity analysis, BEP analysis. Sensitivity analysis, cash flow. If you want to see the all reports, option is available, all forms. Number of reports are available in reports menu. After entering PL balance sheet, now your reports are ready. Also you can export your reports by clicking on export button. On every report You will find here export. You can export your reports in Excel sheet. Export option is available. These are the steps for preparation of your CMA reports. Blank forms also available. If you want to take the printout for manual preparation, you can use the blank forms. In FM tool, we are providing depreciation calculation, investment, future value, FDR interest calculation, present value calculate. You can also calculate the present value, interest calculation, EMI. Number of FM tools are available in FM tool menu. If you have any query related to CMA software, chat option is available on your screen. You can ask any question related to CMA FM tool. Any query related to CMA FM tool software, you can ask. Chat option is available on your screen.